In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer contacts from Android phone to iPhone. Firstly, on your new iPhone, during the setup, tap Setup without another device. Follow the setup instructions until you reach the Transfer your apps and data screen. Select Move Data from Android. Now, you will see a 6 or 10-digit code on your iPhone screen. Keep this handy. Now download and install the Move to iOS app from the Google Play Store on your Android. Open the app, then tap Agree to Apple's privacy policy. Tap Agree again and choose whether to send the app usage data to Apple. Tap Don't Send or Automatically Send based on your preference. Then tap Continue on the Find Your Code screen. Enter the code displayed on your iPhone to move the iOS app on your Android phone. Your iPhone will create a temporary Wi-Fi network. Connect your Android device to this network when prompted. Now, on the Android device, select the data you want to transfer. Make sure Contacts is selected, then tap Continue. Wait while the transfer completes. This will take a few minutes. And finally, when the transfer finishes, tap Continue on your iPhone and proceed with the rest of the setup. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.